Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a football or a soccer ball. Let's start off by drawing a big circle for the ball shape. Then, in the middle, draw a pentagon like so. From the corners of the pentagon, draw some lines going straight out like this. And from the ends of those lines, draw two lines going out at an angle to make it into a wide shape. Then, draw lines connecting the Y shapes like this. And from the ends of the Ys, draw two short lines out to the edge of the circle, pointing at angles like so. Finally, you just need to color in the pentagons. And now you've got a football.